Alright, if you guys are asking about the chiller option, let me show you what I got with my machine. So the chiller was a lot more expensive, and I keep everything in the garage in a shaded area so I don't get too hot in here. When I do run it for many hours, the water does get warm, but it's not, it's good. It does its job. So let me show you what I got. I have a bucket, and this actually came with a kit, and I just filled it with distilled water. It comes with that submersible pump. It comes with the hosing. The hoses all connect in the back. And then the power for the pump actually connects with the machine back here. So here, as soon as you turn it on, that sound you're hearing is actually the fan running. The hose, this hose also comes with it. So you got your fan running, and you got your pump now circulating. So everything out of the box works fine. The only additional thing that I did is I added a secondary fan. So this is an exhaust fan for like your chimney, and that also plugs into the same outlet that the pump plugs in. So as soon as I turn my machine on, my secondary fan comes on and my pump comes on. In the future, I think I might upgrade this hose to just a better one, because I'm pretty sure all these ridges kind of slow down the airflow, but it's not necessary. I keep it in my garage and I don't have any smoke issues. If you do, I think I did at one point, and I just plugged up with like tape. There was some stuff back here, I forget what it was. There was a couple holes I think that the manufacturer had drilled out for maybe options or something, but I just put tape over them and no issues. So hope that helps you guys.